Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a rectangle with rounded corners in PowerPoint step by step. First of all, open your project or new blank presentations, then click Insert tab, Shape, select rounded corners rectangle, then draw anywhere with slide or without slide, and see this yellow corner handle, click and draw. Adjust your rounded corners. Change shape fill color, change outline color, and edit outline thickness. OK. Use other effect. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.